walking his love to the world. The other side of road, I see a man taking all from the world. Maybe I should walk on, get another point of view. Moon and light will guide me through. Maybe I should walk on, won't feel like I'm colorful, and the world will guide me through. I want to learn to live, to love. I want to feel like I am free to be me. Of the road, I'm laughing out loud like I've never laughed. At the same moment, I'm crying out loud like I've